my friends. Another day. It's Tuesday. We're off and running. We're gonna run to the shop. I gotta run to the bank first. Run to Walmart. Needed the big one this morning. That's what she said. Oh, that's good. I wish they made the 20 ounces in the flavors. That would be awesome. Anyways, I am excited to be on today. Welcome to today, guys. Tuesday. Let's get it. It's going to be a great day. I'm super pumped. I don't know why, I just am. I woke up in a good mood today, so better than yesterday, right? So we're going to head to the shop. Like I said, I got to stop at the bank real quick. I got to run to Walmart real quick. And then we're headed to the shop. We're going to knock out some projects today. I want to finish things. I've got 26 projects going on at once, and I'm tired of it. Pulled here, pulled there. I'm in the middle of something. Hey, come fix this. Hey, this needs to be... Nope, I'm done with doing that kind of stuff. I'm not saying anything ill about it, but I'm just saying I'm done with working on multiple things at once. I need to start checking stuff off the list. We need to be finished with all these multiple projects. Simple as that. So that's the goal today. I gotta look at the weather. Right now it's beautiful. Right now it's beautiful out. I gotta look at the weather. I gotta see if the weather's gonna cooperate. If the weather cooperates, I gotta stop the storage unit real quick too. Don't let me forget. If the weather cooperates, I'm gonna try to finish the painting outside today. Maybe not finish, but at least get most of it done. Try to. Anyways. Excuse me. But anyways, we're off and running. Let's go. Let's get it. I'm super happy to announce we have an official opening date. Monday, September 29th. Next Monday. What is today? Tuesday. So Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. 6 days from now, we will be operational. We will be open. Let's go. Let's get it. I am super excited. Well, and there's that. So I went to the bank this morning to deposit some money, and I left my debit card in the freaking thing, which doesn't make sense because the receipt was in there and I didn't see the debit card. So I think the teller forgot the debit card. I think he forgot to put it in the slide out thing, because I'm pretty sure I'd have grabbed my dang debit card if it was sitting there in the slot. I really do. But nonetheless, it doesn't matter. I got to run back to the bank now to get it. So, which kind of works out because I needed to run to Walmart. And then now, too, I don't know what happened. Brand new TVs. Brand new. And one of the remotes isn't working. So, that's great. So, I may just have to get a cheapy universal remote. I might actually have one at home, so maybe I'll wait. I can do without two TVs today. I only need one, really, to keep myself entertained with background noise. But I think I do have one at home. Chances of having it and having the instructions are slim to none to be able to get the code for it, but I'm sure I can find them on the old interwebs. So, nonetheless, running over to the bank to grab my debit card. But anyways, I don't know if I'm going to run to Walmart or not. I might just wait. We'll see. I got to figure things out here. Here we go. Anyways. Talked about it, and now it's time to do it. I'm going to wrap the mini fridge, the beverage fridge, because we are going to run with it for now. I will eventually, once we get up and running and start making some money, I will eventually buy a bigger beverage refrigerator for here. Ideally, I'd like to end up with an actual Red Bull cooler, but those are big money. So that being said, I bought some blue and silver wrap, and I'm going to kind of do my own thing. I bought some blue wrap and I bought some silver wrap, and then I got some Red Bull decals off the interwebs. They should be here end of this week, I think. So I'm just going to kind of do my own rendition of a Red Bull fridge. Got a pretty cool idea. I hope it works. I hope I can do it and make it actually look good. So anyways, let's get after it. Let's go. First thing on the list today. So I realized for this one piece, I'm going to need some heat. Well, I don't have my heat gun here at the shop with me. But what I do have is this device. And I'm glad my ability to think outside of the box is strong, because I'm sitting there thinking, I'm like, man, I need a heat gun. What do I do? I'm not running all the way back to the house for this one piece. So I'm like, well, you know what I do have? I have the dryer. This thing gets hot, so we're going to use this. What a day already, and all I've really gotten done is I got the mini fridge wrapped the way I wanted to in a Red Bull theme, and I got one shower curtain hung up in this little area back here. It took a lot longer to wrap that fridge than I thought it was going to, but so this is a drying area back here. Dryer, right? So to prevent the fur from flying everywhere in this room, we're trying to close it off some, but I thought this would be a good idea, and I just use zip ties for right now, just to, you know, whatever. I'll buy actual rings eventually. But we got this big gap because it's an archway. I can't go all the way to the top. The only other option to do would be to buy the actual brackets with the little hooker doodle on them, and then set the rod in it. And then I got two curtains. I could do two curtains with a split down the middle to walk through the middle, but I don't think that curtain will, I mean, if they overlap, but you won't be able to overlap because the way it is up here. I don't know. We're gonna have to mess with it. I may be overthinking it like I do everything else, and I may be putting way too much thought into this, thinking that this is gonna work, because I think the hair will eventually find its way out either through little cracks in the bottom like so, or if I can't figure out something for that top part there. But I may be able to just take another dollar shower curtain, cut it, and put it up here. Use some good, I don't know, duct tape or 3M adhesive tape or something to seal off the top, but just a thought. Alright, well, I think that is going to be a wrap for today. I've had enough. I had a lot of unexpected stuff pop up today that I had to do, so I think that's going to be, I'm good for today. We have an official opening day. Next Monday, September 29th. It's happening. It's going down. I'm a little nervous, if I'm being quite honest. Yeah. It'll all be fine. It'll all be fine. It'll all work out. Any hoosing way. Got a lot done today. So got the fur. So I had this tablecloth from an event for my stuff, for my racing. Said, yeah, we can use it here or whatever. And then we bought that furry stuff for the backdrop to sit on and all that and this. And I did the paw prints today. Paw prints. I did all those paw prints today. Out here, I didn't get much done out here though. Out here, I got the fridge fixed. So got the fridge back. That's really about it. That's really all I got done out here. Got the Red Bull fridge wrap, but you guys saw plenty of that. Anywho's and way, that's going to be it for today, I think. I don't know what else I could do, really, to be honest with you about it. Start work tomorrow, so I got to get home and do my laundry and stuff. And yeah, I got to get this place cleaned up. That'll be tomorrow after work. I'll be here. Remote for that TV stopped working today for no reason at all. Don't know what the deal with that is, but yeah, I don't know. What was that? Yeah, it's not doing anything. Normally it would light up. Anyways, that's great. Wonderful. Anywho's, that's going to be it for today, guys. I appreciate you. It's been a great day. We've got a lot done, I feel like. We are doing it next Monday. It's happening. It is going down next Monday, September 29th. We will be open for business. Let's go. Appreciate you guys as always. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. We will catch you on the next one.